Welcome back to my channel Tech Getter Official. In today's video, we will fix a common issue where the processor performance boost mode option is missing in Windows 11 or Windows 10. So let's get started. First, click on the search bar and type Registry Editor, then open it. If you see a user account control prompt, click Yes to continue. Now, once the Registry Editor opens, follow this path carefully. First, click on HKey Local Machine. Then click on System. After that, click on Current Control Set. Now click on Control. Next, scroll down and click on Power. Then click on Power Settings. Here you will see multiple folders with long codes, so don't get confused. Now find and open this folder. 5453325. Inside this folder, look for another folder. 0-7. Click on this folder. Now on the right-hand side, you will see an option called Attributes. Double-click on it. A small box will open. Here, change the value data from 1 to 2, then click on OK. This step basically unlocks the hidden processor performance boost mode option in your system. Now close the Registry Editor. Next, we need to apply the changes. Click on the search bar again and type Task Manager, then open it. Inside Task Manager, find File Explorer in the list. Right-click on it and click on Restart. This will refresh your system and apply the changes immediately. Once done, close Task Manager. Now again, click on the search bar and type Edit Power Plan, then open it. Click on Change Advanced Power Settings. A new window will open. Scroll down and expand Processor Power Management. Now you will see the option Processor Performance Boost Mode available here. That's it. The missing option is now enabled. You can now adjust it based on your needs. If you want better performance, you can increase the boost mode. And if you want better battery life, you can keep it balanced or efficient. This small tweak can help you control CPU performance more effectively. So this is how you can enable the processor performance boost mode option in Windows easily. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Getter Official.